Hey there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. Today's video is about point of view marketing and your favorite books. So one of the best ways to articulate your point of view is with your bookshelf. You go to your bookshelf, so I'm in a little community house here, but here's a bookshelf. And in that bookshelf, of course, are some of people's favorite books. So when people are struggling to articulate their point of view, here's a very simple exercise. Go to your bookshelf and pick out your top 10 favorite books, the ones that, at least professionally in terms of your work, have inspired you the most. Take those 10 books out. Put them on a table in front of you with a pad, a pen, and paper, or your laptop. And look at each book. And the question is this: why this book? Why do you think this book is so important? Why did it inspire the work that you do? What about it? What are the big ideas in this book that you wish everyone could take with them? And you might go back through the book. Maybe you underline some things. Maybe you turn some corners, look through the table of contents. Maybe you highlighted something, and just start to pull out what are those big ideas that have so informed your work. Yeah? And you do that with all 10 of the books. Now, this could take you a few days, but at the end of that, you're going to have a list of sort of core ideas, core beliefs that have been inspired from these books or from these works. This is very helpful. It's like a sourdough starter for your own point of view, because of course these are other people's ideas, but there's nothing new under the sun, and most of our own point of view are cobbled together mosaics of other people's points of view. So it's a very simple exercise. It can take a bit of time, but just start by identifying what the books are, and that alone may get the wheels spinning. So short video today. Thank you so much. Thanks for stopping by to watch it. If you're interested in learning more about point of view marketing, go to marketingforhippies.com/steps and look at step number 3 is where you'll learn about the point of view marketing. And also you can get my starter kit where you'll get the full footage of my day-long workshop, and I go into point of view marketing a bit there as well. Plus there's some other bonus material which will touch on that. So that's all. Thanks to everyone who subscribes. Thanks to everyone who's been liking these videos and sharing them up. It makes a huge difference on my side. Thank you very much.